Welcome to the Tycoon Mind Booster. I welcome you to building unshakable confidence. Here is the focus on overcoming self-doubt, fear of rejection, and imposter syndrome. If you're here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, I implore you to do so, as we promise to dish out more educative videos that will help you get better at achieving your aim and dream in life. So once again, welcome to building unshakable confidence. Unshakable confidence is a transformative process that requires dedicated effort, self-reflection, and action. So in this video is a guided principle of overcoming self-doubt, fear of rejection, and imposter syndrome in your life. So I'm going to be focusing on these three major points: overcoming self-doubt, overcoming fear of rejection, and overcoming imposter syndrome. So let's start with overcoming self-doubt. Self-doubt is a powerful barrier that can make you second-guess your abilities and decisions. To break free from this cycle, follow this step. Firstly, identify the source of your doubt. Ask yourself, what specific situation or thoughts trigger my self-doubt? Is it related to work, relationship, or personal growth? Write down these triggers in their numbers, no matter how many they are. Write it down. Understand the patterns. Notice when you most often feel doubt creeping in: before an important meeting, during public speaking, or when trying something new. Recognizing this pattern helps you to prepare and address them more effectively. Reframe negative thoughts. Challenge your negative thoughts. When a thought like "I am not good enough" or "I am going to fail" pops up, pause and ask yourself, is this thought based on fact or assumption? Replace negative thought with more realistic and empowering ones. For example, I might not know everything yet, but I can learn and improve. Once you do this, you are reframing your negative thought. Use positive affirmation. Every day, practice saying affirmations like "I am capable," "I trust my abilities," or "I can handle challenges." The more you reinforce positive belief, the more natural confidence you feel all around you. Next, build a track record of success. Create success journal. Write down all your wins, big or small. Reflect on these successes whenever self-doubt arises. This will remind you of what you're capable of, regardless of what failure is showing in your fields. Set small goals. Start by setting small goals, achievable goals. Meeting these goals consistently build a sense of confidence and self-assurance right there in your life. Next is adopt a growth mindset. Focus on learning, not perfection. Understand that failure and mistake are just part of the process of growth. Remind yourself that skills and abilities are developed over time. Every mistake is a step toward mastery. Doing this will make you to take things easy on yourself. Embrace challenges rather than avoiding difficult situations. Learn into them. With every challenge you face, your confidence will grow. As you learn to overcome the obstacle, you become a stronger and better version of you. Next point is overcoming the fear of rejection. Fear of rejection can hold you back from taking opportunities and making connections. To move past this fear, implement this step. Firstly, redefine rejection. See rejection as redirection, not a rejection. Just see it as a redirection. Instead of taking rejection personally, Reframe it as a sign that the opportunity wasn't the right fit. Sometimes rejection opens doors for better opportunities that align with your true path. You understand? It will open that particular opportunity that will align itself with that your true path. You just have to take your time to fish out that far. Shift your perspective. Remind yourself that everyone faces rejection and it is a natural part of life. Successful people often face more rejection than anyone else. They simply don't let it stop them from moving forward. So must you not allow rejection stop you from moving forward. Gradually expose yourself to rejection. It helps you to grow. Start small. Seek out situations where rejection is possible, but not high state. For example, ask a stranger for a direction or request a discount at a store. The goal isn't to get the yes, but to practice handling rejection without letting it affect your confidence. That is the aim. Go for it and it helps you to become stronger. Increase your exposure. Gradually take on situations where rejection could have more impact, like applying for a job or pitching an idea. As you face rejection and continue moving forward, you will build resilience and fear will lose its power over you. The more you do that, face it head on, learn from it, and make sure you move forward. Reframe rejection with experiences. Ask for feedback. When you're rejected, seek constructive feedback on what you could improve. This turns rejection into a learning opportunity and helps you to grow. Celebrate your courage, even if you get rejected. Celebrate your bravery for putting yourself out there. Rejection is proof that you took action, which is something to be proud of. Anyway, be proud of it and don't feel bad about it. When you are rejected, at least you take that action. Celebrate it. Next is overcoming imposter syndrome. Very important. Imposter syndrome makes you feel like you are a fraud or undeserving of your success. Even when you've earned it, here is how to address imposter syndrome. First point, recognize when you're feeling like an imposter. Acknowledge the feeling. Notice when you feel like you don't belong or like you're going to be found out. Acknowledging this feeling is the first step toward managing that imposter syndrome. Write down your thoughts. When imposter syndrome hits, jot down the specific thoughts that are causing this feeling. Is it fear that you don't deserve your achievement or that someone will expose your weaknesses? Identifying the root causes help you to address them directly. That is how to deal with imposter syndrome. First of all, know it, write it down, and try to start making the necessary change. Reframe yourself what? Reframe yourself what? Separate effort from outcome. Recognize that success doesn't always mean perfection. And the effort and commitment you put into your work that matters most. Remind yourself that progress is a valid part of success. Once you focus on this, it helps you to reframe yourself work. Accept praise gracefully. When someone gives you a compliment or acknowledges your achievement, accept it without dismissing it. Practice saying thank you and truly accept that recognition. It improves your self-worth. Track your achievement. Keep a log of your wins, accomplishment, positive feedback, and moment of success. This can help counteract feeling of fraudulence. providing tangible proof of your capabilities. It helps you to get better. Share your feelings with others. Talk to a mentor or peer. Sharing your feelings with a trusted person can help normalize imposter syndrome. Often, you'll find that others have experienced similar feeling when you talk to them. Know you're not alone. Many high achievers suffer from imposter syndrome. Realizing that this feeling is common and doesn't define you can reduce its intensity over you. Just know it, understand it, recognize its existence. That will help you to start working toward you moving out of it, you getting rid of it, you becoming over it. You understand? You just have to acknowledge it and follow the step as we learn in this video. Reaffirm your achievement, review your progress, regularly reflect on how far you've come and what you've accomplished. This will reinforce that your success is earned, not a fluke. Success is earned, it's not a fluke. Reflection is reviewing it helps you to get better. Give yourself credit. Whenever you achieve something, acknowledge your hard work and talent. Recognize that your success is due to your own effort, not luck or external circumstances. When you do this, it helps you to get better. It helps you to grow more confident at yourself and achieving anything you set your mind on. General confidence building step. This is good. Beyond overcoming these specific barriers, here are some additional daily practices to build lasting confidence in this life. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself. Treat yourself with the same understanding and kindness that you would offer a close friend. Instead of criticizing yourself harshly, speak to yourself with empathy and patience. Stop comparing yourself to anyone. Focus on the unique journey. Comparing yourself to others breeds insecurity and undermine your confidence at all levels. You are who you are. You are not somebody else. So don't compare yourself to anyone. Set and achieve small goals. Break down big goals. Rather than feeling overwhelmed by large tasks, break them down into smaller, manageable actions. Achieving these smaller tasks boosts your confidence and create momentum. Celebrate progress after completing each step or goal. Take a moment to celebrate your success. This reinforces positive behavior and keep you motivated at all times. Visualize that success. Picture your success. Spend time each day visualizing your goals and imagining yourself succeeding. Feel the emotion associated with that success, confidence, pride, and accomplishment. Visualization trains your brain to align with your goal. Very key. Take action. Act despite fear. Confidence is built through consistent action. Even when you feel nervous, take steps toward your goal. Action, even small step, proves to yourself that you're capable of doing and achieving anything. Keep moving forward. Don't wait for perfect condition. Start with what you have and improve along the way. The act of moving forward builds confidence and resilience. In conclusion, you can gradually build unshakable confidence that will help you overcome self-doubt, fear of rejection, and imposter syndrome. Remember, confidence is a skill that grows over time with consistent effort, self-awareness, and a willingness to take action. Keep practicing. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. This is a unique lecture you don't want to joke about. Go through this video again and again, and I promise it's going to help you to overcome that your self-doubt. It will help you to overcome that your fear of failure, fear of rejection, and it will more importantly help you to overcome that imposter syndrome. We're here to help you grow and become better. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and we promise to continuously dish out the lecture that will help you to get better at achieving what you're set to achieve in life. Till I come your way through another video, I say thank you for watching and subscribing to the Tycoon Mind Booster. God.